Start with the name of Allah. Welcome to Creative World. Today I will show you the simulation of a power system including a grid which have the capacity of 10 MVA short circuit capacity. It have 3 OCRs over current relays and a step down transformer of 200 kVA. We have 3 loads of capacity 1 MVA. All of these 3 loads are protected through 3 OCR relays. Before starting the simulation, I will show you the settings of overcurrent relays. Now I will do the PQ analysis and see the power flows in the system. Here the current flows to 3 loads are shown through PQ analysis. Now I will perform the short circuit analysis to find out the maximum short circuit currents. Which are mentioned here. These are the maximum short circuit currents in case of fault. Now I will proceed to star and coordination module and creating the fault on bus 7. The working of OCR relay 3 is confirmed. Similarly, the fault is created on bus 5 to confirm the working of relay 4. Now I will create a fault before the relay. So in this case the relay should not operate because the fault is created before relay. And you may see that the relay 2 is not worked in case of fault before it.